Hi everyone, Darwin here. Welcome to the Totywee Workshop. Got a small project I'm working on. I'll probably have that in a later video. But it starts out here in the garage with the table saw. It's at this point that I realize I can't find my featherboard, so the project has now become making a featherboard. I'm going to use a piece of scrap MDF that I have. You could use plywood or regular wood, whatever you need. MDF might actually be illegal in some countries, so use what you can get, I guess. I don't have any T-slot bolts for the table saw, so what I'm going to do is make one I can clamp on both sides. The feather has to stay in front of the blade, so I'm just measuring how much of the board is going to have some feather on it. I'm going to measure and cut the board to the depth of my table saw. So I'm only going to have feathers for the first 12 inches of this board. Give it a mark. Create an angle. I'm using 20 degrees. Could be whatever. Oh, got to make sure the shop vac's on. This MDF is nasty stuff. Wear a mask. The first cut cuts the corner off. After that I put in a couple of spacers to limit the depth of the feathers. And then I cut about once every quarter inch. I need to cut a piece of the board off so there's nothing against the blade. So to do that I measure against the feathers, and I'll flip this piece and cut off the excess. To test this out, I'm going to continue with the project that I started with. I need 2 cm by 2 cm strips. I'm going to line up the table saw fence. Set the featherboard up and give it a run. Looks like it's working great. Problem solved. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon.